Hey, Memo here with a PowerScreen and shade in Anaheim. I want to show you a project we just wrapped up in Anaheim Hills. The homeowner did everything right, built a gorgeous custom pergola, brought in beautiful outdoor furniture, mounted a TV out there for game days. The whole setup, but the son had other plans. The glare on that screen made it completely unwatchable during the day. And the UV was just destroying the furniture. You can see all the covers they had to throw over everything just to keep it from fading. That's no way to enjoy your backyard. So we came in and installed a PowerScreen that blocks the sun and the glare but still lets them enjoy the space. Now they can actually sit out there, watch the game, and the kids can splash around in the pool while mom and dad relax. And the furniture covers? They can leave those off for good. One thing I really love about this one, the fabric we chose complements the wood on the pergola perfectly. It looks like it was always part of the design. That's the thing with our PowerScreens. They don't just solve problems, they look great doing it. We're factory direct, which means we measure it, build it, and install it ourselves. Over 20 years of experience and nearly 50,000 installations across the country. And we back everything with up to 20-year warranties on fabric and motor. If your pergola, patio, or outdoor space needs some sun control, give us a call at 714-594-7488. Summer is coming, we live in Orange County, make the most of it.